this house for sale. It's kind of a weird one. It's in Tulsa. They got this weird deck situation going on. It's a large house, but it seems like they've added on a couple of times to this building in a way. I like this deck. This is kind of nice. But all the rooms are kind of strange in that they are kind of seemingly disproportioned. Like they never really intended the house to be this way. So that's the front door. They say this is like something in the neighborhood of 5,000 square feet. I don't see any major signs of damage. I mean, all this trim work was very kind of cheaply done. I think this front room here, I think this was originally a garage that they converted. Leads to a convenient mud dauber nest. That's kind of nice. It's a pretty weird deal. Yeah, so I think this was a garage that they decided to put another front door on. Not sure the reasoning behind that. And this kitchen's pretty nice. I kind of like it. It's not too bad. And then I think that this was another like garage or workshop that they're calling a home theater type room. And then look at this weirdness. Like they left this concrete step thing to, I guess this is another garage. It's very uneven, like, see the trim on this side, and on this side it's like two totally different levels. And then this would be, I guess, kind of like your master bedroom. Kind of, I don't know why the lights don't work. Look at the shape of this closet. I mean, who comes up with this? Here's how you can tell that it's a crappy addition. So, here are my footsteps here. You're on a concrete slab. And then right here where there's this line, where there's this crack, floor sounds completely hollow. And as you walk around, you can feel that the floor is kind of on the soft side. And that's why it's separating, because it's flexing way too much. And you can actually tell that it's sloping downward a little bit. So when you look at the height of that trim in the middle and see how it's actually sloping downward. So this floor isn't really even level. It's also not really in the best neighborhood, which that may be the deal breaker, because I'm already seeing trash on the driveway. But it's a large house, a lot of square footage. I'm assuming this side yard I'm not sure if this is yeah, I'm guessing this is a different property, so I guess the neighbor's property is a used to be house. Huh. Very strange. Excuse the wind. And then I don't know what the deal is with these garage doors, because like I can't fathom why you wouldn't have a garage door installed on here. Yeah, you guys can lock it up. I'm good. Thank you. The only part that I really like is the this covered balcony up top, but otherwise, pretty strange place.